Are you tired of finding out your competitor stole your traffic a month too late? Learn to track their daily shifts in under 2 minutes. I'll show you exactly where to click in Semrush to set up real-time competitor monitoring. No fluff, just the steps. Start by heading to your Semrush folders. Then click on Traffic and Market to open the Analytics area. Now select Daily Trends to see real-time shifts. Review this part. It shows the current trend overview. Enter the domain you want to track. Click Add Competitors to include them. Hit Analyze to generate the report. Now you can react fast to daily shifts. Happy tracking! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.